Hey guys, it's Kaiwan from Kaiwan Production. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today I'm back with another video, and the video is going to be about reviewing 20 film dust texture. And I released this pack yesterday and I wanted to make a review about it. And since I got a lot of requests about my latest photo, I used one of the dust texture on it, and I said I'm gonna create the pack and also I'm gonna make the full review on this video. So I think it's going to be really interesting, and not only that, it's going to be only the review today. In my upcoming videos, I'm going to be also reviewing the full edit step by step, how I got the film look, colors to the latest photos. So guys, let's just get to the video. Alright guys, so as you can see on the screen, you're going to need Photoshop, whatever version you have. I think it's going to work. All you need to do is just to open the dust overlay. So we have around 20 high resolution dust film textures, and I think I'm gonna go with number 5. So if you go ahead and open it up, all you need to do is just to grab it and put it on your main photo, which is this one, and then you can basically play around with it. And to remove that black background, all you need to do is just change the normal blend to screen. And to do that, it's very easy, and that's it. So now you can Command T or Control T if you're using Windows, and then you can resize it whatever you like. For example, I like it like this, but obviously you can go with less dust overlay. We have similar ones. If you go with the first one, I think, or the 20th one, yeah, this one is pretty nice. So yeah, it's just the same process. Grab it and put it over your main photo, and then change the normal blend to screen, and you can hide the other one. I think this one looks way better. Then resize it, play around, and if you think maybe like the flat overlay on the dust is too much, you can also increase that by adding more contrast to the dust itself. So you're gonna create a brightness and contrast adjustment, and then you're gonna create a clip and mask that you can only apply it on the dust itself, and then add some contrast. As you can see, it's a slight different, but it can make a huge improvement to the photo. So let's say if you don't like the dust on some unnecessary part of your photo, so you can always add the layer mask and then brush it off. So by adding a layer mask, you can use black brush to remove the dust on your picture. So yeah, pretty much like that. This thing's very easy to use. It can enhance your photo in a really good way. It can give you like this old vintage retro film look. So yeah, if you want to get these film dust overlays, the link will be in the description, and there will be more details to know more about this pack. So guys, don't forget to subscribe for more upcoming tutorials. I will see you in the next one.